Hey, this is Timothy McCoy, and this is my form validation uh, explain through thing. So to start, this is my if statement with the post super global to catch the submit for the form, and then this is the salt that I made. I just named it the salt value because I didn't really know what else to name it. So that's salt value. And then I made this function before I got to any of this, which is to hold the data in. And I made an array named form elements, well, f elements, to make it shorter. And yeah, I made this associative array, and then I returned the array name here. So after I did that, I instantiated the data function, which the array is in, and accessed the actual elements in the array with the data variable I made from instantiating the function here. So the passwords being put in and encrypted here, and then added to the salt. And then this is the if statement to validate the form, or the username and password anyway. The data username is set equal to the username I put, which is just T McCoy, and then the password is set equal to the encrypted password plus the salt. And then inside that I made a for each loop, and the data as key, and then value. The data function is being called here. Well, the variable I made for the data function, I'm calling it here as the key into the value, so it'll echo out in this paragraph. And I concatenated the key and the value, and so that it'd show up, blah, aka the key, the little arrow thing, and then the function, whatever that, the value, whatever that is. These being the keys and the values, obviously. And then I echoed out the image under that with the image directory function that we worked on in class. And under that is the error message for if your username and password doesn't match. And then under the image directory that we made, I put the print R, I put the print R under that at the very bottom. And that's about it. All that's left is the form. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in so you can see. So the username, as you can see, is T McCoy, so I'm putting that. Password's 539981. And then my email, it kind of autofills because I have Chrome, so I don't really have to worry about that. And then the state is Florida. I chose this PNG file that's already on my computer, and I submitted it. So here it shows your username and your encrypted password and your email and your state, and then it shows your picture here. And in this array you can see that the salt value is correct because it's coming out what I named it, which is this salt value. And then you can see my username, encrypted password, email, and state here as well. And you can see the file being uploaded and what was uploaded, and the directory that it went to. And then even then you can go to this and actually check. Oh wait, wrong thing, my bad. you can actually check if the image was, uploaded into that folder, which you go in the images folder and here's the image that was uploaded. So all the functionality is correct, and that's basically my explanation. So thanks for watching.